this is Stay Pray the Heart, and I have a humongous Black Friday haul to share with you guys. So let me go ahead and get rocking with it. So the first is the Greetery. So the Greetery, their stuff came in this resealable, amazing bag, which I'm kind of loving. I don't know. It says the Greetery on it. It's really classy. I like it. So let me show you what I got. Got a bunch of stuff. In case you're wondering, I got a bunch of stuff. I think everything was 15 or 25% off. I can't even remember. Can't remember, but anyway. First, I got this one. So I'm really into those stamps that, you could put like a little girl or a little person in them. A little something in them. Anyways, this builds a card, and you can put balloons in there, flowers, other things you can put in the car. There's no examples on there. But I got that one. It's called Top Down, I think. Top Down Day. And then I also got the Top Down Day die that goes with it. I wonder if there is a additional stamp set with it. There might be. Because, yeah, I think there might be an additional stamp set with it. And so, oh no, maybe not. I don't know. Oh, there's a little girl. I'm like, where is she? Right here. There's a little girl right there. And so there's the dies with it. And I just thought this was fun and something different that I didn't have. The other thing that I'm excited about is the s'mores. So this is the Greetery s'mores die. And, it's designed like mostly for winter. But you absolutely could use this year-round, right? You could use it year-round, and I think it's just really well done. I like how you can kind of have your marshmallows have a little, like burnt or toasted. And then I got the dies with it, and then I went ahead and got this, which is the graham cracker die. So, graham cracker die goes with that. And I have a couple other s'more sets, so that would probably go with that. And then I guess there was a little free stamp that came in my package. Wishing you joy and cheer throughout the year. I love it. I love it. Exactly the kind of sentiment I like to put in the inside of my card. Okay, so on to the next thing, which is a honeybee. So with honeybee, I thought I got a die too. I don't know. I spent enough for the die, so maybe I didn't. Be bummed if that's the case. Okay, so I got this one, which says latte, and it's a layered latte. It goes along with the latte stamp set. And then I got Christmas Bee and the die. And then let's see what else here. Oh, maybe this is the free one. This might be the free one. Santa Bee and the Santa Bee penny cuts if you spent $100. And then this one's Be Mine. I think this is the Be Mine. No, it's Unbelievable. This is Unbelievable. And then this is Be Merry. And this is the Wish You Were Here, which I have. And then this is Be Mine. I think I have the Be Mine stamp, but not the dies. So I think I bought the dies for that. Maybe there wasn't dies to this one. This one doesn't look too hard to cut out, I guess. I don't know. But I have the dies to this, which is Wish You Were Here. So I went ahead and got that. And then I did get a bunch of shaker stuff, which I'm going to get into making some shakers. Because I've done a pretty good job at starting to use my Move It dies, using my Snow and Cocoa. I'm really moving along and doing stuff. So I got this Be Loved I really like their shaker mixes. Holiday Cheer. This one is Oaf. Freshly Brewed, because I have so many coffee things. And Fantasy Flurry. And Buzz. And 2 of the cookies for Santa, which I thought would be an amazing, like, gingerbread mix. It would be good with coffee as well. So I am loving all of that. Let me move this out of the way. I have a stack of stuff to put away. It's kind of annoying. All right, I got this. I got the We Are Memory Keepers, that notch tool. I can do like the same sort of notches as like the paddleboard punch, which I have. But it's kind of cool because it's just a handheld one, which is kind of fun. So I did get that from We Are Memory Keepers. And then my creative time. So my creative time was, if you spent $50, then you got 10% off and 20% off. 20% off, I think. 10%? Shoot, I got $10 off. I spent $50, I got $10 off. So I got the Star Rosette die, the Scalloped Stitched Rosette die. I got this one, which is They're Always Love to Read, along with the bookmark. And I got these little smaller sentiments, which are really great for tags. And this one's called Mini Christmas Greetings. And that's all from my creative time. And then I got Big Comfort and Ninth, even though I think I have some of this stuff. So that's kind of disappointing, but kind of okay too at the same time. I mean, if that makes sense. Kind of okay, kind of not okay. I don't know. I really love this deep cranberry color. So I did get the cranberry cardstock. I don't really buy a lot of dyes and stuff. I mean, like ink pads and stuff. But I wrote down because I really love how deep and rich this color is. So I got that. And then I got the, and everything was on a big, big sale. So anywhere between 20% and 60% off. So it was a big deal. Love the turnabouts. I have a bunch of them. I need to use them more. I used the coffee one not too long ago, and I loved it. And I need to pull it out and use that one again because it's my favorite, I think, out of all the ones I have. But this one is fun. This is the rainbow turnabout, and it makes a fun rainbow. I got this one, which is the iconic Christmas turnabout. And I love that. Look how amazing that looks. I got the candy cane striped background, which I thought was amazing. I got the sweater weather one. Love that. I got the tropical vibes turnabout. It's amazing. And then I got the Good Vibes dies. So they go with that Good Vibes. I got the iconic Christmas dies. So they go with that iconic Christmas. I got the Hey Girl dies because I thought they would go with a lot of the stamp sets that I have. They have those girl dies where you just stamp the face and different hair and like you could do a book in front of them or you could put a sweater on them. I thought these would be really cute dies to go with that. So I did get that. And then this goes with the sweater weather turnabout. So got all the matching stuff. Oh, I also forgot. This was my creative time. That's the candy cane. This is a really great candy cane, by the way. That's my creative time. Okay, and then I earned a free gift, which unfortunately I might have this free gift. So there is that. So it may have to go in a giveaway. I don't know if I have this one or not. I'm going to have to look. But this is the Just Love stamp set, which is a free gift. And it came with the dies. Came with a paper pack. And then it came with Birdie Talk and then the dies. So I'm pretty sure I've already talked, but I will look and see and really see if I do or not. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is I did get a couple of things from close to my heart, mainly because I wanted this stamp set, which is the free stamp set of the month for November. I really, really wanted these cups because they're amazing. Really, really cute cups. Wishing you a cozy holiday. Sweetie pie, you warm my heart. This one I think you can use all the time. I mean, it kind of looks like a poinsettia, but, you know, the back, it's cute. And then I got this one, which is really great for birthday sentiments inside the card, which I like. And then I got this onyx pearl, like, I don't know, I think it does like an enamel dot type thing. So I got that. And then I got this kit, which is the Jingle Joy kit. So it makes all these cards. So you get paper, you get scored cards, you get envelopes, you get this stamp set, which I really like, plus you get the dies as well, and yikes, sorry about that. The dies come already on a magnet sheet, which is nice, so I think that's pretty cool. And then so there's the stamp set. And then you get silver snickles. And then you get some solid cardstock sheets. And then you get some patterned paper. So you get that lovely black gingham. And then you get, I guess they're all the same. But then you also get this sheet of green right here. So really cute. They give you ideas on cards that you can make. And I liked this kit, so I got it. And that is my haul. It was a lot. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.